ਹਾਂਜੀ ਫਰੈਂਡ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਤੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਹੋਪਫੁਲੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਇਹ ਕੋਵਿਡ ਦੇ ਸੀਜ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਈ ਨੋ ਇਹ ਬੜਾ ਕਨਫਿਊਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਸੀਜ਼ਨ ਹੈ। ਹੋਪਫੁਲੀ ਐਵਰੀਵਨ ਇਜ਼ ਓਕੇ। ਸਾਡੇ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਿਡਨੀ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਹੀਅਰ government asks everyone to wear mask. Shopping center जाते हैं, wherever there's like public places, public transport, you need to wear the mask. If you don't wear the mask, you will get a $200 fine, which is not good, which is expensive. Yes, so you must wear the mask. I think it's good for safety as well. अगर दूसरी तरफ देखें ब्रिस्बेन की तरफ, ब्रिस्बेन में 3 days का लॉकडाउन ऑलरेडी लग चुका है क्योंकि उधर से other cases are gay. The one who's from contracted from UK, I think, yeah, because they found another new virus, that mutation one, even more contagious one. So they got on 3-day lockdown. Melbourne, they already shut the border with New South Wales. I think Brisbane they already did as well. So most of the the states are a bit strict now. So yeah. Let's come back to the topic. So now I'm going to show you the thing which we purchased in our last video. I'm going to put that thing on our helmet. My helmet is sitting on the table, and then all the other stuff, and also that editing is happening on for the previous video you might have already seen. So let's start checking this mic. We want to check this mic first before we actually install it. Let's see. Okay, let's do it. breathing go inside. If I will use this one, then मेरा साह जड़ा है इधर बीच जाऊगा, you know, and I won't be able to stop that thing. अगर मेरा सांसें इसके बीच में जाएंगी तो आपको आवाज़ अच्छी नहीं आएगी. So I need to change this one as well. In order to do that, I got stuff inside, so I can do this thing in one side. But for now, how about I just try to set up this thing around, because this thing should go in here. Okay, this thing can also go here as well. So what should I do? Let's try to do it. Try to put it somewhere where it will be perfectly fine. Okay. Hello guys. I think I already checked it, and this thing is working perfectly fine. Hopefully it's gonna fit in the our helmet, and it will work fine as it is working right now. Let's go ahead and fit this thing into the helmet. Right guys, the camera, I just fitted the thing on this GoPro, that adapter. Now I just need to check if the microphone is working or not. For that I'm going on a short ride on this bike. Oh, let's go for a short ride. चलिए करिए start. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Short ride on chappal. Let's go. I just want a proper recording of myself on this GoPro while I'm doing the moto vlogging and going around the Sydney area. For that, this thing was much weighted, and let's see how it's going. Let's go guys. Just few kilometers, like 4 or 5 kilometers, then it will be fine. Oops. Let's go. Okay, so this is our GoPro here. Okay, it's worth going down. ਹੁਣ ਠੀਕ ਆ, ਸੈੱਟ ਆ। ਕੰਮ ਖਿੱਚ ਕੇ ਜੀ ਲੋਕ ਘਾਹ ਵੱਢ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਵਿਚ ਇਜ਼ ਨਾਈਸ। ਆਪਾਂ ਜਾਣੇ ਆ ਕਿੱਧਰ, ਲੈਫਟ ਜਾਈਏ ਕਿ ਰਾਈਟ? ਲੈਫਟ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਆ, ਲੈਫਟ ਚੱਲ ਪਏ। ਲੈਟਸ ਗੋ। मैं चप्पला पा के आया नीचे, देखो तुसी। आई एम वेयरिंग द शावर स्लीपर, ऐसे बोलते हैं, शावर स्लीपर जो भी होता है। हाँ जी, तो होपफुली दिस माइक इज़ वर्किंग। I don't even know where the mic is. I think I got it. Hopefully it's working now. Let's do it. So my bike got a emergency, you know what we call this thing, mask. to provide me, and it's also got this attitude, which means don't tell me what to do, you idiot, you idiot. Nah, just kidding. Alright, so guys, it's everything going perfectly fine so far. Hopefully it's recording and then it's not gonna break my heart. And I really love this thing, to be honest. And then if everything is going perfectly fine, that means we are good to go on making motovlog, and we'll go on somewhere special, maybe Hunter Valley, maybe Central Coast, Newcastle, Port Stephen, or maybe Port Macquarie. Oh my god, don't know what to do, but let's see how it goes. This is me, this is me, this is always me, and this is always gonna be me, and this is always gonna be the awesome people working around me as well. When I say awesome people working around me, wow, the friend, the spotter, the lovely people, those who are always there to support you wherever you go, whatever you do. Not in a bad thing, but in a good thing, you know. You're starting a YouTube channel, alright brother, go ahead, do it, I'm with you. Okay, that's good. Right now there's no one got exposed that कितने friend हैं कितने नहीं हैं, है तो बहुत हैं, but let's say everyone is basically a friend. You see, do good, have good. Some people, some are friends, some are family, you know. Some friends turn into the family, so it's like that. So I got this Harley, if everyone's listening, you know, I bought it like in April, I think, 2020, yeah. Before they started the lockdown, I bought this one, and then I didn't know that we are going in a lockdown, so I just bought it. There are many, see this speedometer is aftermarket, and then this bar is aftermarket. Also the LED headlight, it's aftermarket, and this thing is also aftermarket. And also the, what we call this thing, oh my god, I don't know, but there is one special word for this thing, I forgot, and that's also aftermarket. Air filter, Screaming Eagle aftermarket, then Vincent Hines exhaust pipe is aftermarket. So I really love this bike. Most of the things are aftermarket. I want to do more on it, and then, you know, this is really, you know, outstanding bike, so you can't complain about it. It's good to go, it's good to take anywhere around, you know. You can take it to the, like, anywhere. So the thing is, if you go to city, you know, you can't take the big bike into the city. It's really crowded, and then you're gonna end up losing yourself, and you will put yourself in a trouble by whinging and by yelling at unknown people or strangers. So be careful with that. Hopefully this thing is working. I'm going back into the cage where I come from with this bike. Goodbye for now, friends. If you like this video, then you will know what I bought. I already, I think, exposed the thing what I used on this microphone. Thank you very much. Keep supporting, keep loving your own lovely Sing Sydney. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely day ahead. It's my Saturday. Now it's my time to go out as well. Bye. Take care.